Can you believe this is my skin and I don't have any makeup on it? My skin now feels spotless, soft and healthy. Thanks to the CureSkin app, the dermatologist sent skin treatment kit really worked for me. Here is the kit. Hey guys, I am Swetha and I'm from Hyderabad. I am 25 and lately before lockdown I started to see a lot of acne on my face, and seeing the acne and the scars appear, I really freaked out. So I started to freak out actually. So I started to feel low, and I didn't want to go out with my friends or anybody. So to get rid of them, I started using a lot of home remedies and product recommendations from these influencers and beauty bloggers on Instagram. But nothing seemed to work. So it was just there. So 2 months ago, I saw CureSkin's ad and I thought of giving it a try. Guys, 2 months. All my acne is gone and even the scars have started to fade away. So one thing I've realized after using the CureSkin is that only a dermatologist could give you the right product to treat every type of skin concern. So CureSkin is an app which analyzes your skin with just a photo and delivers personalized skin treatment kit by a dermatologist. So apart from this, what I really like about the CureSkin is the support that they provide throughout. I also had a skin advisor who used to do regular follow-ups with me to check if I was using the skincare products regularly or not. They also used to provide tips to improve my diet and lifestyle habits. So I have been given a face wash, a repair cream and a sunscreen based on my skin concern. So the products that come in this kit is different from person to person. My mom also uses CureSkin products, and for her the face wash and the repair cream are different. At first when I started to use the CureSkin products, I did not see much difference, but gradually I did notice changes in my skin. You can see for yourself. So I have used it for 2 months religiously to get a clear skin. So using the CureSkin products not only improved my skin, but as a person I also feel really better. I feel more confident now. So whenever I go out with my friends or family now, they keep asking me what is the secret to your healthy skin. So guys, I can never be enough thankful to CureSkin, and I highly recommend every one of CureSkin.